Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting core assets and deciding the poster size. This matters because print scaling alters legibility. Open your design file, place high-res images at 300 dpi, and lock originals to prevent accidental changes. Once done, establish a master grid and margins so elements align. This saves time in later iterations. Make sure to set typographic scales for headings, subheads, and body text. This keeps hierarchy clear. Finally, export a quick low-res PDF to test overall composition before diving deeper. Now you refine the composition. Position charts and photos to follow visual flow, left to right, top to bottom, so readers scan logically. Balance contrast and white space to highlight the one or two key findings. Too much text kills impact. Tweak typography. Increase heading weight, limit lines to 10-12 words, and set consistent leading. This improves readability at viewing distance. Once done, relink and optimize images. Check color profiles for print, and run spell check before moving to final output. You finalize by exporting a print-ready PDF with bleed and a CMYK profile. Embed fonts to avoid substitution. Print a 25% proof or a full-size proof to confirm colors and legibility from 1 to 2 meters. If something goes wrong, colors shift, fonts swap, or images pixelate, inspect linked files first, then flatten transparencies, and re-export at 300 dpi. Make iterative fixes, replace only corrupted assets, and keep version saves. This prevents losing work and ensures your poster prints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.